Faithful po.
Mabait po.
A loving pastor.
Generous.
Boss, loyal.
Hardworking pastor.
For Pastor Mark, food is life. And for Pastor Jones, sleep is life. Joke lang po. For Pastor Mark, servanthood. And for Pastor Jones, prayerful.
For Pastor Mark po, appreciative, and for Pastor Jones, endurance.
For Pastor Mark, passionate. For Pastor Jones, dedicated.
For Pastor Mark, he's a fighter. For Pastor Jones, the undoubted.
For Pastor Mark, servant-hearted, and for Pastor Jones, faith builder.
For Pastor Mark, a man after God's own heart. For Pastor Jones, faithful servant of God.
I love you, Daddy. I miss you.
Hello mga anak. Pastor Mark, Pastor Jones. Na-appreciate ko ang pagiging faithful niyo sa Panginoon. Focus lang ako kay Lord. Sinusuportahan ko kayo sa lahat ng bagay, lalo na sa gawain sa church. Nandito lang ako lagi sa inyo dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you, na-appreciate ko yung pagiging tapat niyo sa Panginoon. I'm so blessed na meron akong anak na pastor na dalawa. Pastor Mark and Pastor Jones. Na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa nyo. And thank you kay Lord. I am so blessed talaga. Thank you, Jesus. Wala po. Salamat.